So the second example is actually pretty straightforward. We already know how to detect an error within our routing table. And we also saw a different SMS test message on how to send a text message. So the second example that we're going to see basically just combining the two, right? So we added the Twilio information in the code itself, and we combine the watch routes and also the Nornir bit. And the only thing that we've changed is that when there's actually an error, that we're going to send a message which is between line 32 to line 37 with the message that combine that string of the device that does not see that particular 192.168.0.13 route. So let's go ahead and execute that. So if I do Python detect route change with SMS, it's just going to use Nornir and it's going to go and look at that. So bam, there it is. It says, hey, LX Core 1, oh no, it's not seeing from these 3 locations, and therefore I'm going to send an SMS message. I can't really see it very well, but I'm going to hold it up to the camera a little bit closer to let you see that, indeed we've actually received a text message.